Hello, my name is Mr. Sisler. I teach what used to be machine tool classes. They're now called Principles of Competitive Manufacturing 1 and 2 and Machine Operations 1 and 2.
So I'm Mr. Roth, and I teach all the manufacturing courses here at Southern High School.
And in those classes we talk about some of the machines that you have seen being used. All the students get to use the equipment. We teach you about the drill presses, mills, lathes, things like that, and even up to using the CNC equipment to where you do threading, drilling, turning on the lathes, and possibly milling with the mills, drill presses.
Is there holes on the other side of your threads?
We also teach some welding, where we do arc welding, TIG welding, and MIG welding as well, to where you'll do both that as well in this program. So if you see something that interests you, please make this as one of your choices and you can check it out.
What we basically do is we make a lot of things. So if you like working with tools, sophisticated equipment to make things, you might want to consider taking competitive manufacturing. Thanks.